Okay, hello, welcome back to the NG Playground. Today we are going to importing points to AutoCAD LDD 2009. First of all, we need to prepare the coordinate list in this format. I'm gonna use point 1, esting, northing, elevation, and description. So it stands with P, E, N, Z, G with space delimited. Okay, now we are going to open AutoCAD LDD 2009. First of all, make sure you already have a project and drawing, and you change this option to survey, and then click points, point, import export points, then import points. Click. After the window show up, choose the format like our format earlier. So we choose PENZD space delimited. It is right to choose this, and then source file, we open that txt file. We choose open, and then you can go OK, or you can create point group. I'm gonna OK. This is the default setting. What to do if the point numbers are supplied by the source, I'm gonna use it. What to do when point numbers need to be assigned to the point, use next point number. What to do when the point number already exists, we renumber, merge, or override. This is the default setting. I'm gonna OK. This is the points we imported. Okay, we need to make this points looks easy to watch. How to edit it? We can go to points, point setting, in the marker. Now change this to plus sign. Marker size, change this to 0.3 units. The text, you can change the color as you wish. You can unvisible the number. Fashion description, I'm going to unvisible the number, and change the size of text to 0.5 units. Then OK. It has not changed yet. You must click points, insert point to drawing, choose all, enter, and then reverse all. No. That's it. That is how you import points to AutoCAD LDD 2009.
Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel to get more updates from the playground by me.